What's up, y'all? It's C motherfucking Andy. Kind of dark in here because the lighting is just like weird, but and today I am back again with another video. You're not gonna do that. Don't tell nobody. They wanna kidnap me. But for no, damn.
Hey, shut the fuck up! Shut your ass up! Fuck you!
But for real, y'all, I'm about to make some steak for me and my mom. I want to wash my ears. I be twisting my hair, y'all. Hopefully you should know because you watched the video, right? You did. If you did, I appreciate you for real. Like, I really love you. Whoever, I'm spiritual, so whoever show me love, I bless them. I bless them. It's not even, and one thing I like when I make steak, I'm gonna be like using some of your dishes. I live with myself. If I do this, if I make a dish, I gotta clean the dish. Okay, the steak is like still kind of frozen, so I'm just gonna sit it right there. But yeah, y'all. Well, first I gotta season them, so I don't even know why I just put that down so high. They is soft. Let me make sure I don't. Oh, they is ready. Do I even got steak seasoning? Cooking with Siani. I'm full of Ani.
I like to put stuff online.
What?
My nigga tight enough. So then come behind me and say you gonna follow me for a little while and if y'all know it gonna take me to get to where I'm going there. I said it 18 minutes.
Look when it's seasoned, very good. Alright, now this next steak. That steak raw. Every time I think about raw, I think about Duke, Ruler, you know, like, I don't know why. I don't know why. This thing raw. Somebody was. Let me dry it first before I punch it, cause I be power punching these steaks. Every time I cook steak, I use so many napkins. Like, this is crazy. I'm trying to for my mouth count. I don't want to be all in a private area. Like, all they have is her little zone. I always like to layer it first with salt and pepper. I don't know why, I don't know. I'm not putting a lot of pepper, trust me. Oh wait, I can't even see it. So first I use pepper. Okay, so pepper, salt, hold on. Try to hurry up for my mom to come. Slap your mama. Slap your daddy. Say no. The season is called Slap Your Mama, y'all. For the ones in the back. Make sure it's seasoned, y'all. Make sure it's seasoned. Grill sauce. I hope I got butter. I need to check. I don't got no steak seasoning, like no it's off for M, I think. In Atlanta, I had all this shit, but I ain't go food shopping right. The oven heating up, I smell it. That's why I use garlic powder, yeah. Oh wait, no, I didn't use garlic powder. This shit so the season can be everywhere, you know? You don't want to just bite one and you taste all pepper. Bite the other one, you taste, you know? But you gotta get shit. You got to get the meat wet first. Get the size. And then that's that steak. You probably can't see it good, but make sure it's seasoned. Then let me move it a little bit. Now the onions and stuff. Now I'm about to just cut up my vegetables. I love onions. I don't know why my mom like onions, but I'll just make it with onions because it tastes good. And I don't cut them up too small because it's going to be steak. It's cooking for a long time, so you want to make sure that it's big enough so if it, when it do cook down, you can still see it and all that. Not see it, but yeah, see it, taste it, you know. So I just cut it like, damn, this is a good size. This right here is my steak, y'all. This is my steak right here, so I'm gonna put extra onions because I love it so much. I want to show y'all the final results. That's soft, can't cook that. I want to show y'all the final results once I am done. Alright. like all this, so I'm gonna just give me a lot. My mom, she kind of picky with food, so I don't really know if she like this, but I do, so. Alright, y'all. Okay, that's that. Let's see. This is my mom, this is mine. I love all the extra shit. Now I gotta put butter in it. And boom. This shit got a hole, so I gotta push it back into it. You see that hole? That's why I can't see it. But it's still gonna come over. I'm gonna double wrap them though. So, just in case. I need all my juices. I just did one, because that one is cool. What one for you? It's a little hole. I'm not doing it because it's mine. I'm doing it because out of the hole. There you. It's 325, 350-ish. And that's pretty much it, y'all, for real. I have rice and black eyed peas in the refrigerator from 2 nights ago, so that's what we're gonna eat with a period. I had jerk seasoning, I could have put that on there, but fuck, it's wrapped. I'm not wrapping shit for no seasoning. Put on my shirt, y'all. Perfect timing. Well, I thought my mom about to pull up. So, good time. I don't want to be out here watching y'all here sleeping and shit, even though this is my house. That's my okay, y'all. I need to get more butter, more eggs, and I need everything. I need a whole shop. Fast, easy, barely no dishes.
I'll be back.
Take the trash out and lady scared me. I said, "Ooh," and I said, "Ooh, you scared me." Her husband right there, he said he laughed. He said, "Hi." I waited. I said, "Hi." Put my trash in the trash. They just staring at me. I walked past them. She like, "Ooh, is you crazy like an African? Ooh, is you crazy?" I said, "Reverie." Not the end of the video, but I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna show y'all when they get done. Bye. Oh damn! I'm about to try my first bite. And it's so soft, y'all. Like, call y'all back.